Hello, hi Mosami. How are
Yeah,
you?
hello.
Hi,
Yeah,
how are you?
yeah, I'm fine. What about you?
Yeah, I'm also good.
Oh, you're looking so gentle. What is the reason behind it?
Yeah, it is one kind of tree. How to tell in English, I don't know. But in my native language, we call Ravi Chettu.
Oh, is it? Okay. It's nice that you're in that background and it's real pleasure moment that we are talking each other. Then tell
Yeah,
me.
right
Uh,
now I'm in town. I'm watching cricket. I'm not
oh,
watching international cricket. I'm watching my local players cricket.
yeah, it's nice. It's
Do you see?
actually I also like that. What?
Can you observing anything there? Some
Yeah.
cricket, some people playing there.
No, I can't observe.
Okay, leave it, leave it.
Okay, leave
Maybe
it.
nowadays Skype is updated. Just it is focusing on face. Otherwise, if we are trying to observe any other things, we are looking blur,
It's not
totally blur.
visible. Yeah.
It is visible.
Okay, then tell me, what's your name?
Oh, my name is Kashinath.
Oh,
Maybe you observed in that group Kashinath, Kashinath like that, but you forgot.
no, actually, I know, but I want that audience also should know your name. That's why I'm asking you.
Really?
Yeah.
Okay, okay, okay. Good, good, good. Yeah, my name is Kashinath. I'm from Telangana.
Oh,
And what
but
about you?
it's not, yeah. Actually, it's not appear through your language that you're from Telangana. Yeah, your speaking accent is another, like your mother tongue may be a Hindi, like this. Your speaking
No, no.
accent. Yeah.
I'm not from Hindi language. I'm from Telugu. I can
Yeah,
speak
you're
Hindi.
from,
I can
yeah,
speak
you're
Hindi, but
from,
I
maybe
do.
the reason. Yeah, go ahead.
I can speak Hindi, perfect, but I don't know fluent Hindi.
Okay, tell me one sentence in Hindi. Let me see you know or not.
नहीं, तुम कुछ भी बोलने तो मैं आपको जवाब दे सकते। हिंदी में
Oh,
करना बोले तो नहीं बात कर सकते। ऐसा ऐसा बात कर सकते। तुम कोई भी बोलो, आपको जवाब दे देते मैं। आ,
okay, okay, it's nice. Yeah, I I realize that you know you can speak. Okay, leave it then. Tell me, how is your day going on nowadays?
come again.
Nowadays, how is your day going on?
Oh, my day was fantastic today. Maybe morning to 10 a.m. I did some homework because we are bachelors. I clean my dress, clothes, and I prepared some for food for my eating purpose. Yeah, after 10, I'm free today. I took some rest, and then after I came out and trying to talk with someone, and
Oh,
finally
not someone
some,
with me.
no, yeah, with you and with Ravi Kumar, with
Oh, you messaged. Okay.
yeah, 3 to 4 members. I have conversation today.
Oh, it's pleasure. Really. Yeah, you already uh, conversation. It's really nice to
Yeah,
listen.
yeah. If I have enough time, I will try to speak with friends because I don't want to waste my time. Maybe
Yeah,
when we are talking each other, that time we are discussing more and more words, and we are getting some English knowledge, and we
yeah,
are
some
getting
knowledge. Yeah, definitely.
knowledge. Yeah, it is. I am habited for that. That's making conversation nowadays.
Then, could you please share your audience that how you learn English language, how you can speak English nicely?
Yeah, for me, before I said with two, two to three peoples, but again I will try to tell with you. Actually, before I'm not like this. I'm a very beginner. Nowadays, I'm beginner, but I am able to speak little bit English. First, first of all, my friend, his name is Vital. He want to learn English. He don't have any speaking partner. He said, bro, I don't have any speaking partner. I want to learn English. I want to practice with you like that. Okay, I said, okay, bro, you can call me when you have free timings. That time I'm always free. I'm staying in my village. Yeah, he's calling night times, and we are talking each other. That time I'm little bit addicted for English. I'm learning something. I'm not able to speak, but I got some interest. That time my friend given hand for me. Maybe he's busy with studies. Yeah, that time what I did, I want to learn more and more. Yeah, finally I'm searching in a Facebook how I can learn like that. Yeah, I got one Facebook group, and for that I got one WhatsApp link. Yeah, it is one voice messaging link. When I was in voice messaging group, that time I got one voice calling group. Yeah, in that group I did a more and more practice with friends. Yeah, finally I am nowadays I'm able to speak little bit with you guys.
Yeah, it's really happy moment that you start speaking English, because without speaking English, if you don't know English, then it's not possible to talk each other. Because I'm from West Bengal. My mother tongue is Bengali, and your mother tongue is maybe Telugu, right?
Telugu, not
Yeah,
Telangana.
yeah, yeah.
Telangana
That's why.
is not available in our India.
Yeah, Telugu.
Telugu.
Yeah, that's why it's really pleasant moment that it is the only option that we know English. That is the reason that we can meet, we can conversation each other nowadays. Yeah. Then I suggest every people, if you want to speak English, if you want to know all the people feelings, all the people situation, what they are facing, then definitely you must have to speak English, you must have to know English, and you must have to study for speaking English. According to me, whatever I know, I share with you, and anything else, if you know, share your audience.
Okay, okay, definitely, definitely. Yeah, when I was in learning time, that time I faced many problems with friends. Yeah, so many friends. They said, "Be careful. You are talking with different countries. They are going to do something like that." But maybe with God grace, I got all groups are genuine groups. They all are learners. They are trying to learn something regarding English. I find that type of groups, and I added in that group many peoples. And yeah, why I added, because one of the member added me in voice calling group. Then after I also added because somebody helping me, and why I not help someone like that. It is my intention
Yeah.
that I added so many peoples. Nowadays I'm not using WhatsApp groups. I deleted all groups due to some storage problem.
Okay, then tell me, then why you think that you need to speak in English? Why it's come in your mind?
Yeah, do you know Mostami? First, my goal is government job. I tried two to three. I tried four times. Actually, one time in first two times I lost my running. Second time I got running events, preliminary exam, but I lost my mains. Yeah, last year I lost my running. Yeah, I'm thinking maybe I want to settle in private sector. Then after I will try to beat government job like that. That's why I fix. If I want to sustain private sector, maybe I know a little bit English. If I don't know, nobody can hire me like that. I feel when we are in lockdown that time, I focused on English. Finally, I'm a little bit speaking.
Okay, then according to your opinion, I got that for doing any job, for giving impressment, you must have to English, speak English. You must have to know English because nowadays we know that English language is international language, but most of people don't know how to speak. That is the reason the value of English language is increasing day by day. That is the reason Kasinath also practiced speaking English. If he can speak English from actually maybe you started your speaking English from 6 months ago, right? If
Yeah,
Kasinath,
nearly 8 months
yeah,
completed.
if he can speak English, if he can speak English from 6 months ago, he started speaking English, and nowadays he can speak English. Then why not? You can't. You also can, but you must have to desire. You must have to interest in English. You practice three things. First of all, you have to. First of all, you have to know something, some vocabulary of English. That's why you have to. You must have to read and you must have to listen to English words, English sentence. You must have to watch movie, and you must have to speak whatever you know. If you follow these things, whatever I suggest, then I think I mean, that people who don't know how to speak, if they try, definitely they can speak because we are also beginner. If we can speak, then according to me, both I can. According to me, that I mean, you also can speak English because we are also beginner. And if you try, you also will be beginner. And one day you will reach your goal. Then anything else, Kasinath, do you want to know from my side?
Yeah, yeah, I want to know about you also. Okay,
Yeah,
how is journey going
yeah,
regarding?
it's pretty fine. I'm also a student. I just admitted in BA first year, and I want to be a English lecturer in my future. That's why I just started from 2 months ago. I just started my speaking English, but I know before the structure of English, the grammar, all the grammar of English, but I never practiced before. I just started speaking English from 2 months ago. That is the reason that sometimes I am making mistake, but I can realize that there is my mistake, there would be another word, there would be another preposition. This is my plus point, that I know all the structure of English, but I know all the grammar of English, but there is huge difference that you know English and you are speaking English. There is huge difference. If you know English, then you must have to speak otherwise it's not possible that you can speak purely, you can speak fluently. That's why I am speaking to you. Anything
Yeah,
else?
yeah, yeah. It is absolutely right. Yeah, uh, grammar part is different and speaking part is different.
Speaking part is different.
Yeah,
Yeah.
if you want to speak more and more, you need practice. It is necessary. Do you know? Before I don't have any vocabulary, but when I am trying to make conversation with friends, that time I got more and more vocabulary. When they are speaking, when they are using vocabulary, that time I find some vocabulary, and that time I don't know that vocabulary meanings. I'm trying to use Google Translate, and I check what is that word meaning, like that. I find on that way. Yeah, I learned something with friends.
Okay, then do you want to suggest anything to your audience who watching this video?
No, I don't have any suggestion because it is my way. I learned this way. But do you know any many people? Everybody has some their own opinions, their own practice skills, and but I said my practice, how I did practice in the past. I'm telling. I said with you, it is enough. If they are interested, maybe they are follow. If they don't have any interest, maybe they follow other rules. Do you know many people? They are trying to go institutions and they are learning. spoken English from institution, but we are not like that because we are a little bit poor people. We don't have enough money to go
Yeah.
institutions. Yeah, that's why we are following. We are using social media, and we
Yeah,
are
I also learned from myself. I never go any institution for learning purpose or speaking English purpose. I
yeah,
learned from myself.
yeah. It is our way.
Yeah,
If they want to learn freely, they are trying to follow these rules. But I'm
yeah,
telling you one thing:
and
be careful because when we are learning with social media, different country peoples they are coming, and sometimes they are going to do some fraud is also. We want to recognize, and we are
yeah,
being in our limits, and we are we are trying to
and we also should
only
be
enough.
alert.
Don't give more freedom like that. It is my suggestion, only one suggestion. Yeah, thank you.
Yeah, and if anyone want to speak with us, they can comment in comment box. And I think it's enough for this session. Take care. Bye bye.
Bye bye.